Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope so you are doing great. In this video, I will tell you what I learned from the life of Prophet peace be upon him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So please, before watching this video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Let's start. So friends, what is the eternal wish of every human being? That they should achieve success and happiness. It is certain that man has been sent to succeed in this world by defeating the shaitan. One can get it. This is the way of survival and peace. The famous Western scholars Michael Hurd also had to admit that if there is any greatest person on this earth who has raised the flags of greatness in the field of spirituality, society and politics, then it is the noble master Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet peace be upon him brought down the idols of arrogance and ignorance and brought freedom to humanity in the true sense. I believe that if a person wants to become an excellent human being, an ideal professional, he can lead the times by following the life of the Prophet peace be upon him. CEOs of multinational companies are leading the times by adopting country head and political leaderships. Here the list of the things which I learned from the life of the Prophet peace be upon him. Trustworthiness. We learned the lesson of Sadiq and Amin from the life of Prophet peace be upon him. And today this quality is considered the spirit of top leadership, which is rare in modern times. Second thing is determination. Firm intention is the fuel to search the destination. The entire life of the Prophet peace be upon him seems to be the source of this quality. Third thing is clarity about goals. Destination always welcomes the traveler who knows his way. It is said that confusion leads a person to a dead end. Fourth thing is self-management. The modern world today has come to the conclusion that a successful administrator is one who has control over himself, who can channelize his emotions. The greatest victory is to conquer yourself. Fifth thing is strong belief system. Belief in Allah Almighty gives the energy to a perfect person, the very thought of which makes a person happy from the inside. These people can take risks. Sixth thing is live with purpose. A life without a purpose can drown a person in the desert of boredom. Moments spent under the purpose of life make a person a traveler to a great destination. Second thing is self-confidence. Confidence gives a person the courage to stand in difficult situations and face great challenges. Eighth thing is team building. A leader is one who makes a team with limited resources and achieves a great target. Ghazwa Badr is a living example of this. Ninth thing is sacrifice. He is always recognized as a leader who sets an example by trying 2 stones on his stomach compared to 1 stone. Point number 10 is take initiative with wisdom. The best political and war strategy is that if you have the courage to make the best plan and implement it, success will kiss your feet. 11th thing is justice-based approach. Justice is the survival of humanity. Our beloved Prophet peace be upon him set a practical example by establishing a society based on justice in the state of Medina. 12th point is walk with talk. The one who keeps his promise can build the best reputation. Today, due to this quality, the products of multinational companies are sold all over the world. 13th point is compound effect. Today, the most advanced institutions in the world are training their staff keeping this formula in mind. A full life is a perfect example of the compound effect. Point number 14 is paradigm shift. Surgery of a human organ is an easy task. The most difficult surgery in the world is through thought surgery. The name of changing old thinking into new thinking is called paradigm shift. He established the ideal society of Medina Sharif. Point number 15. Migration for a great purpose takes a person to the heights of greatness. Point number 16. Decision by consensus. The Prophet, peace be upon him, made decisions in consultation with his team in important matters. Ghazwa is the best example of trench warfare strategy. Point number 17 is research-based approach. Research is ordered in every matter from the biography of the Prophet, peace be upon him. More than 700 times the Holy Qur'an research has been ordered. And point number 18 is win-win approach. Islam has always promoted unity, harmony, and humanity. Peace and unity in the society is given a chance by goodwill towards others. I hope you will definitely study the biography of the Prophet, peace be upon him. If you like this video, so guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Take care.